It's a bit of a funny little situation here. I don't really know what's going on, but I will put a bigger window there. That is the west facing wall. Got that window open. I just want to point out that the carpets have been removed. I spent a lot of days insulating, adding vapor barrier and drywall. I didn't have a lot of time at this time, so I just did it in fits and spurts. And then, magically, one day, it was all done. Just kidding, it took months. Here I am sanding the floors. And then, magically, one day, that was also done. I bought all of the furniture for the Nook off of Facebook Marketplace, which I'm very proud of. I love buying secondhand, and I love this double wide love seat armchair thing. It's time to add the trim to this window, and instead of doing the pine trim that I've done in the kitchen, I want to use the trim that we took off of the old doorways from when there used to be walls in here because it would match the windows, so I'm going to bring that up from the basement, measure it, and then take it outside and cut it on 45-degree angles so that I can make a box around this window. Here's the wood that I brought up from the basement. So this one that had hinges cut into it, I'm going to use as the top piece. So I'm going to cut it from here to here on 45-degree angles to go at the top. And then this is going to be a side, and then I've cut out another one of the sides. I did that just as an experiment. So I have this one marked, and I have this one marked for cutting. I'm going to go outside and do that right now. And guess what? I had never used a chop saw before this either, and this is the first time I'm doing it alone. Okay, so I primed these. Now I'm going to put them on. I've never done this before, but it's going to be fine. I'm actually nervous, like my heart is pounding. I don't know, why am I afraid to screw up right now? But this is my first trim that I'm putting in, so I'm not feeling confident. But hopefully the next one after this I will feel more confident. I think I need to get a nail punch so that I can properly sink all of these nails without damaging the trim anymore. Then I need to get out the wood filler, or maybe the caulking, fill some gaps, and then let that dry, and then maybe prime it again. That's what I'm thinking. It's not terrible, but it does need some gap filler because, well, the boards weren't perfect, and now my job isn't perfect, so I'm gonna pray for forgiveness from the gap filler. Got this one trimmed out today, and I got this one trimmed out today. So, yeah. 2 windows done today from old trim, made new. Feeling really good about today's progress. It's not fully painted yet, but turned out pretty all right. I'm pretty happy with it. Hey, remember when this was a super weird little room with fake wood wall paneling and a strange little window and walls everywhere and stinky carpets? And now it's dreamy. It's fresh and bright and insulated and open, and there's a comfy chair, a massive window. Look at that gorgeous trim, huh? Not too bad. A bookshelf. It's just about the coziest place you've ever seen. Before and after. I love this reading nook so much. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.